Hey everyone, my name is Merlin, and today I'm going to show you how to build a LEGO Minecraft Big-Fig scale Enderman. These are the pieces you're going to need for the head of the Enderman. So to start with the Enderman, we're going to get two 2x4 plates. We're going to put them beside each other, get two more 2x4 plates, and put those one across on the top like that, and one on top of that bit like that. Then we're going to get two jumper plates, and we're going to put it like there and there. So we're going to get one 1x2 plate, put that there. Get a 1x2 plate with a ball socket in it in light grey. I'm going to put that there like that. Get one more jumper plate, put it there. Then we're going to get a 2x4 brick, put that across the top up here like that. I get two 1x2 bricks and put them on either side of this jumper plate thing here we made with the ball socket. Then we're going to get two 1x4 plates and put them side by side on each side. Then we're going to get a 2x2 plate and put that in the middle of the top there. Then we're going to get two 2x4 bricks, put them on top across like that, and then we're just going to get a 2x4 tile, do that for the forehead. Get two 1x1 round plates and in purple, and these are going to be the eyes. Get a 1x2 tile and get a 1x4 tile like that, and there is your Enderman's head. These are the pieces you're going to need for the body, arms and legs of the Enderman. Right, for the body we're going to start with a 4x4 plate, and then we're going to get a 1x4 plate and put that beside it. Then we're going to get two 2x3 plates and put them on top of at the end, like that, like so, holding that to the thing. And then we're going to get two 1x2 bricks with Technicolor in it and put those on either side like that. Those are going to hold the arms. Then we're going to get a 1x2 brick, put that in the middle between that to hold everything up. Then we're going to get two 1x2 bricks with one of these types of clip bits on the sides. We'll put them like that. These are going to hold the legs. Then we're going to get a 2x4 plate, put that like that in there. Get two 2x3 tiles, put one there and one there. Please ignore the fact that one of those tiles is Mega Blocks. Get one 1x2 tile, put it there, and then get a 1x2 dark grey tile with a ball on it. Put it up there. That's going to hold the head. And get another 1x2 tile and put that like that. Then we're going to get two 2x4 tiles and put those up beside each other on the top like that, and you get one 1x4 tile. And there you go. Then you can put the head on the ball. That's it. Now for the arms, we're going to start with a 1x1 brick with a Technicolor in it. Then we're going to get 11 1x1 bricks, and we're going to stack them underneath of the first brick. Then on the top of the arm we're going to get a 1x1 black tile, put it like that, and then we're going to get a 1x1 plate and put it on the bottom. And then in the Technicolor we're going to get a one Technic pin, and then you can put that onto the side of the Enderman into the other Technicolor, and then build the exact same thing and put it on the other side. And now we have another arm, and we're going to put that into the other side of the Enderman. Now for the legs, we're going to stack 9 1x1 bricks on top of each other, and then you're going to get a 1x1 plate with clip teeth on it, and you're going to put it there on the top. Do this again. And then when you have your two legs, you're going to put them on the bottom clips of the Enderman's body like that, and like that. There you go. You now have your completed Enderman. Thank you guys for watching my video on how to make this LEGO Minecraft Big-Fig Enderman, and I'll catch you guys later with the next one.